Ever found yourself scrambling for a document during a HubSpot meeting, wishing you had it readily available? Or maybe you finished a call and realized you need to create a file to share with the client right then and there? It's a common pain point. We've all been there, juggling multiple windows, searching through cluttered folders, and losing precious time that could be spent actually engaging with your prospect or customer. Well, what if I told you there's a seamless way to create files directly within your HubSpot meetings, keeping everything organized and accessible? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that, step by step. Hi everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into a HubSpot feature that can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your meeting workflows. We're talking about creating files during your meetings. Think about it. No more frantic searches, no more delays, just pure, unadulterated efficiency. Imagine you're on a sales call discussing a proposal. The client asks for a specific case study. Instead of fumbling around, you can create a new file right within the meeting, pull the relevant information, and share it instantly. Or perhaps you're wrapping up a customer onboarding session and need to create a follow-up document outlining next steps. Again, you can do this without leaving the meeting interface. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why this is so valuable. First, it's about organization. Keeping all your meeting-related files in one place eliminates the chaos of scattered documents. No more digging through emails or shared drives. Everything is neatly contained within the HubSpot ecosystem, linked directly to the meeting itself. Second, it's about time. Think of all the minutes you waste searching for files or creating them after the meeting has ended. By creating files in real time, you reclaim that time and keep the momentum of the conversation going. Third, it's about professionalism. Being able to quickly access or create documents during a meeting demonstrates preparedness and efficiency, leaving a positive impression on your clients and prospects. Okay, so how do we actually do this? It's surprisingly simple. There are a couple of ways to create files within a HubSpot meeting. Let's start with the first method, using the Files tool. When you're in a HubSpot meeting, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Among the various options, you'll see a Files icon. Click on it. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen, showcasing any files already associated with the contact or deal you're meeting with. But we're not looking at existing files, we're creating new ones. At the top of this panel, you'll see a button that says Create File. Click on it. Now, here's where the magic happens. HubSpot gives you a few options for creating your file. You can choose to create a new document from scratch, which is perfect for drafting meeting notes, action items, or quick summaries. Alternatively, you can upload an existing file from your computer. This is useful if you have a template or a pre-prepared document that you want to share. And finally, you can even create a file from a template within HubSpot. This is incredibly handy for standardized documents like proposals, contracts, or follow-up emails. Let's say you choose to create a new document from scratch. Click on that option, and a new document editor will open within the HubSpot meeting interface. You can now start typing your content directly into the editor. HubSpot's document editor is fairly robust, allowing you to format text, add images, create tables, and even insert snippets. Once you're done creating or editing your document, simply click Save. The file will then be saved and associated with the contact or deal, and it will also be readily accessible within the Files panel during the meeting. You can then easily share it with the other participants by clicking the Share button next to the file name. Now, let's look at the second method for creating files during a HubSpot meeting, using the Notes section. While the Files tool is ideal for formal documents, the Notes section is perfect for quick jottings, brainstorming ideas, or capturing key takeaways. During a meeting, you can open the Notes section, typically located alongside the Files panel. Here, you can type your notes directly into the interface. And the best part? These notes are automatically saved and associated with the contact or deal. You can even format your notes using basic formatting options. But here's the clever bit. You can actually convert your meeting notes into a file. Let's say you've taken detailed notes during a call, and you want to share them with the client as a formal document. Simply click on the More button within the Notes section, and you'll see an option that says Convert to Document. Click on it, and your notes will be transformed into a separate document, which you can then edit, format, and share just like any other file. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and avoid having to retype information. So there you have it. 2 powerful ways to create files directly within your HubSpot meetings. Whether you're creating formal documents using the Files tool or capturing quick notes and then converting them into files, HubSpot provides the flexibility and functionality you need to stay organized, save time, and maintain a professional image. Remember, the key is to practice. Get familiar with these features, experiment with different file types, and integrate them into your meeting workflow. Once you do, you'll be amazed at how much more efficient and productive your meetings become. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.